Base addiction here. Just woke up. Got another package. I got these the other day, but I didn't see any reason to make a video. Just a alternator distribution block from JP. I don't know if you can read that. Anyway, I have 3 runs going to the back, limitless, or the 2 limitless in the back, and then one going to the front battery. And I got this from JP as well. It's SMD terminals for my box. It's the grade 8. Pretty dope. Strong as hell. Shout out to Steve. And then I got, I think this is my OC cable. I ordered this on 4th of July. Yeah. Ordered on the 4th of July, and these dudes sent it out. It's pretty dope. I think it was on the 4th of July. It might have been. Yeah. This crap is heavy. Well, like the spool's not even strong enough. Yeah, how much this shit weighs. Yeah, you can see there. But yeah, I got a spool of red and 35 feet of, 30 feet of blue, which really is purple, but yeah. Alright, it's a little update. Base addiction out. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.